Welcome to App Junkie. App Junkie provides fast, easy and informative answers to your app-related questions. The subject that we'll be discussing in this video will be what is ChatGPT and how to use it for beginners. Are you curious about the world of AI and natural learning processing? Well, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll take you through the basics of what ChatGPT is and how you can use it for your own projects in an easy-to-understand format. We'll show you how to get started with a model and give you some simple examples of what you can do with it. Meet your new personal AI assistant, ChatGPT. This state-of-the-art language model is not just a simple text generator. It can do so much more. It can explain complex concepts, recall previous conversation points, translate language, elaborate on ideas, and even apologize if it makes a mistake. Imagine having all of this power right at your fingertips in your very own chat window. To get started, head over to OpenAI's website, openai.com, and sign up to create your account. Can't find the website? No worries, we've got you covered. We'll be leaving a direct link in the video description for your convenience. Currently, there isn't a dedicated app for ChatGPT, but you can easily save the website on your phone's browser for quick access. Let's dive in and see what this powerful language model can do for you. Using ChatGPT is as simple as typing in a prompt in a text box and hitting enter. Need some inspiration? Let's dive in together and see what this amazing AI assistant can do for you. It's gonna change the way you work and communicate. For example, you can try asking it to generate text based on a given prompt. For example, you can type, "Write a summary of the book, The Great Gatsby," and hit enter. ChatGPT will generate a summary of the book for you. You can also try asking it to translate a sentence from one language to another. For example, translate, "Hello, how are you?" to Spanish, and it will respond with, "Hola, ¿cómo estás?" These examples are just a few of the incredible things this powerful tool can do for you. Don't stop there. There's more to explore. If you enjoyed this video on ChatGPT and want to learn more about AI and natural language processing, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a video.